Olive oil has graced tables for centuries, a culinary cornerstone in the Mediterranean region. Its presence is not just a matter of taste, but a testament to a rich cultural heritage. The golden liquid, often referred to as liquid gold, has been a staple in Mediterranean diets, symbolizing prosperity and health. Its rich flavor enhances dishes, but its true value lies in its health benefits. Olive oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that contribute to overall well-being. The subtle yet profound impact it has on our health is truly remarkable. For generations, olive oil has been recognized for its heart-healthy properties. Families have passed down recipes and traditions, ensuring that the benefits of olive oil are enjoyed by each new generation. It's a legacy of health that transcends time. Now modern science confirms its power, particularly extra virgin olive oil, packed with nutrients essential for a healthy heart. Studies have shown that it contains high levels of monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds, all of which play a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health. Throughout history, olive oil has been more than just food. It's been a symbol of health, vitality, and longevity. Ancient civilizations revered it not only for its culinary uses, but also for its medicinal properties. It was used in rituals, as a healing balm, and even as a currency. From ancient Greece to modern Italy, olive oil has held a place of honor in kitchens and in cultural traditions. It has been a unifying element, bringing people together over shared meals and shared values. The olive branch itself is a symbol of peace and friendship. Today, scientific research backs up these long-held beliefs, revealing the remarkable impact of olive oil on heart health. Researchers have found that regular consumption of olive oil can reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve cholesterol levels. This essay delves into the science behind olive oil's extraordinary benefits. We'll examine the specific components that make it so beneficial, including its high content of oleic acid and polyphenols, which have been shown to have protective effects on the heart. We'll explore its high monounsaturated fat content and its remarkable impact on cholesterol levels. These fats help to reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while maintaining or even increasing good cholesterol, HDL, creating a healthier balance in the body. We'll also uncover how olive oil contributes to overall cardiovascular well-being. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to reduce inflammation in the arteries, which is a key factor in preventing heart disease. Finally, we'll offer practical tips for making this liquid gold a delicious part of your daily life. From drizzling it over salads to using it in cooking, there are countless ways to incorporate olive oil into your diet and reap its many benefits. Monounsaturated fats, or MUFAs, are a type of healthy fat found abundantly in olive oil. Unlike saturated and trans fats, which can be detrimental to heart health, MUFAs offer a range of benefits. Their most notable effect is their ability to lower bad cholesterol levels, also known as LDL cholesterol. High LDL cholesterol is a major risk factor for heart disease and stroke. MUFAs work by reducing the amount of LDL cholesterol circulating in the bloodstream. This, in turn, helps prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries, a dangerous condition known as atherosclerosis. By keeping arteries clear and promoting healthy blood flow, MUFAs play a crucial role in protecting your heart. But the benefits of MUFAs extend beyond cholesterol. These healthy fats also provide essential building blocks for cells, ensuring their proper development and function. Moreover, MUFAs are a good source of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that shields cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, stands out for its exceptionally high monounsaturated fat content. This type of fat is known for its health benefits, especially when it comes to heart health. Unlike saturated fats, which can raise cholesterol levels, monounsaturated fats have the opposite effect. They help to maintain healthy cholesterol levels, which is crucial for preventing heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. In fact, it boasts the highest percentage of MUFAs among all edible plant oils. This makes it a superior choice for those looking to improve their diet and overall health. The high MUFA content in olive oil is one of the key reasons why it is so beneficial. This makes olive oil a nutritional powerhouse when it comes to managing cholesterol levels and promoting heart health. The benefits of olive oil extend beyond just its fat content. It also contains antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that further support heart health. When you consume olive oil, the MUFAs it contains work their magic on your cholesterol profile. These fats help to reduce the levels of LDL cholesterol in your blood, which is often referred to as the bad cholesterol. They effectively lower LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol that can clog arteries and increase the risk of heart problems. By reducing LDL levels, olive oil helps to keep your arteries clear and your heart functioning properly. But that's not all. Olive oil also helps raise HDL cholesterol, often referred to as the good cholesterol. HDL cholesterol plays a crucial role in maintaining cardiovascular health. HDL acts like a scavenger, picking up excess cholesterol in the bloodstream and transporting it to the liver for removal. This process helps to prevent the buildup of cholesterol in the arteries, reducing the risk of heart disease. This dual action of lowering LDL and raising HDL makes olive oil a valuable ally in maintaining healthy cholesterol balance. By incorporating olive oil into your diet, you can take a proactive step towards better heart health. Studies have shown that incorporating olive oil into your diet can lead to significant improvements in cholesterol levels. These studies highlight the importance of dietary choices in managing cholesterol and overall health. In fact, some research suggests that consuming olive oil regularly may be as effective as some cholesterol-lowering medications in reducing heart disease risk. This makes olive oil not just a culinary delight, but also a powerful tool in the fight against heart disease. Beyond its beneficial fats, olive oil is a rich source of antioxidants, compounds that protect your cells from damage. These antioxidants are crucial in maintaining cellular health and preventing the onset of various diseases. These antioxidants, including vitamin E and polyphenols, are naturally occurring substances found in olive oil. They act like shields against harmful free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause significant damage to your cells. Free radicals are known to contribute to the development of chronic diseases by damaging cells and tissues. Free radicals are a natural byproduct of metabolism, a process that occurs in every cell of your body to produce energy. However, their production can be accelerated by external factors like pollution, smoking, and an unhealthy diet, leading to an excess of free radicals. When free radicals outnumber antioxidants in the body, it creates an imbalance known as oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is a harmful condition that can lead to cell damage and has been linked to various chronic conditions. This state of imbalance has been associated with heart disease, cancer, Alzheimer's disease, and other chronic conditions, making it a significant health concern. Olive oil's potent antioxidants help counteract oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, thus protecting your cells from damage. This protective effect is particularly beneficial for heart health, as it helps maintain the integrity of your cardiovascular system. Oxidative stress plays a significant role in the development of atherosclerosis, which is the buildup of plaque in the arteries. This plaque buildup can restrict blood flow and lead to serious cardiovascular events such as heart attacks and strokes. In addition to their antioxidant properties, the polyphenols in olive oil also exhibit anti-inflammatory effects. These anti-inflammatory properties are crucial because chronic inflammation is another major contributor to many chronic diseases. Chronic inflammation can damage tissues and organs over time, leading to conditions such as heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. By reducing inflammation, olive oil helps create a healthier environment within the body, promoting overall well-being. This dual action of combating oxidative stress and reducing inflammation makes olive oil a powerful ally in protecting against heart problems and other chronic diseases. Olive oil is not just a staple in the kitchen. Its benefits extend far beyond cooking. From promoting heart health to enhancing skin and hair, olive oil is truly versatile. Rich in antioxidants and healthy fats, it helps reduce inflammation and can even boost brain function. Whether you're drizzling it over a salad or using it as a moisturizer, olive oil is a powerhouse of goodness. So, next time you reach for that bottle, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding a touch of wellness to your life. So, how can you incorporate olive oil into your daily diet? Well, it's quite simple. You can drizzle it over salads, use it as a base for marinades, or even substitute it for butter in baking. Just a little creativity, and you'll find endless ways to enjoy its benefits. Choosing the right olive oil can make a huge difference. Look for extra virgin olive oil, which is the highest quality. Check the label for the harvest date to ensure freshness. And remember, a good olive oil should have a rich, fruity aroma. By now, you should be excited to embrace the olive oil advantage. Its health benefits are numerous, from reducing inflammation to supporting heart health. Plus, it adds a delicious flavor to your meals. So, go ahead and make olive oil a staple in your kitchen. But, a quick note of caution. While olive oil is healthy, it is also calorie-dense. Moderation is key. Stick to recommended serving sizes to reap the benefits without overdoing it, and always store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its quality.